They are pouring the sidewalk, the driveway at my mom's house that we are building for her. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Nikos Property Show. It is a cold morning. I'm literally freezing. I got gloves on. My hands are still cold. I can't imagine what the guys are feeling like right now, but they are pouring the sidewalk, the driveway at my mom's house that we are building for her. This house is beautiful. I'll show you once I turn the camera around and everything, but y'all, let me just tell you, they're already working. I got the whole setup process. I can't wait to show it to you. I'm so excited. My mom is excited to move into this house. This thing is looking freaking beautiful. It's a nice white bricked house. It just looks phenomenal. Honestly, I'll just show you. Words can't really describe how it looks. The views behind me, I mean, you can kind of see right there what we got going on, but honestly, y'all, this place is amazing. Sun Concrete LLC is here to pour the sidewalk, the driveway, and everything. But enough talking from me. Let me get them working. They're doing a phenomenal job this morning. Again, it is freezing, literally, but they are knocking it out. So let me get them working. Big shout out to Omar and his crew sending his guys out. Let me get them doing some great stuff. Alrighty, so they have knocked out this entire sidewalk, all the way from the front porch, all the way to the side porch, all the way to the driveway. So they are knocking it out right now, man, and it is looking freaking beautiful. I'm so excited with how this looks. I can't wait for my mom to be able to move in here, get into this house, and just check this out, man. They are literally killing it. They also poured this nice porch right here where you'll have a nice little exterior, maybe a little table out here and everything like that, but they're knocking it out. They got the bull flow over there, Jose. I got the time-lapse camera over there, all in their way. They're pumping it. This is great, man. We've got the pump out here. We've got the guys working hard. They are literally doing a phenomenal job, and it's looking so good. So anytime you're actually pouring concrete and you can't get to certain areas, you get what you call a pump truck. And what they do is this line pump right here runs all the way to the top. They get it up there, and it can get into places where you might not be able to get one of those super big trucks all the way up the driveway because you put the mesh down, or it might mess up the gravel that you already set. So just depending on the places that you're in, you might have to get a pump truck if you've never done concrete work before, or you've never been around construction. It's something that you just see one and you're like, what the heck, why are they pumping concrete? The reason is because you can't reach it with the actual concrete truck. So anyways, I'm not gonna do too much talking. I wanna get more of them working. This thing is freaking beautiful, and I'm excited to see it get done. What's going on, brother? You doing all right?
Pretty good.
Good to see you. Phenomenal. Good to see you, brother. Okay, y'all, it is time for another update, man. Again, I gotta show y'all this beautiful view behind me, man. We got Lookout Mountain, Signal Mountain. You can see all of Chattanooga from here. Mama is gonna be happy when she moves in this house. But regardless, the guys are over here knocking out the rest of all the pouring. They got this entire side completely done of the driveway. It looks freaking phenomenal. I am telling you, I think I might even put a basketball rim over here on her driveway. So when I come over, I can shoot some hoops. Look at this, y'all, all the way from the garage right there, all the way through here. We already did 20 yards, 2 trucks came through. We're waiting on the last truck to come through. And then that's gonna be 30 total yards right there. We might need a call back for about 3 to 4 more yards after that. But man, they are killing it right now. Appreciate all the guys here. Omar, Sun Concrete LLC, I mean, phenomenal. Then you got Spencer's Concrete Pumping out of Cleveland as well. First time using them for me, but Omar sent them, and this is just amazing, man. I'm really excited to get this thing done. The guys are doing phenomenal. I wish Omar would show up. He hasn't been to the job site yet. Maybe he'll show up. We'll see what happens. But he's actually building his own house right now, so he's pouring his footing and doing all that good stuff. So congratulations, Omar. Everybody just drop a comment. Show some love to Omar in the comments, man. He's been pouring all my concrete. He's been doing a phenomenal job, and now he's finally building his own house, so that's amazing. But just check this out. His guys are killing it. The house is beautiful. Waiting on this last truck, and once it gets here, this is gonna be great, man. They're gonna finish up. It's gonna be awesome. So let's wait for it. Yo, check it out, man. Guess who showed up on the job site?
Here I am, baby.
Omar, the guy, the man with the plan, the guy building his house, the guy that is awesome. I love you,
All
brother.
blessings, all blessings.
I love you,
man.
my brother. Thank you for showing up. Thank you.
Hey.
Thank you for just.
You're welcome, man.
Yeah.
I'm here now. Everything's all right.
Now that he's here, everything's good, y'all. That's what I like to hear, man. He's building his own house, like I told y'all earlier. Amazing progress, y'all. Check this out, man. They are down to the last. I think they called in for another 3 or 4 yards. I'm not even sure, but it was 3 or 4. I can't remember what we counted up. But this thing is looking beautiful, man. Check this out, all the way up through here. Freaking phenomenal. The house is looking beautiful. Omar showed up with his wife and his sister, man. They really be out here putting in that work. I'm telling you, if you need concrete poured around Chattanooga, around Cleveland, call Sun Concrete LLC, man. Yo, let me see what the phone number is, y'all. Hold on one second. Sun Concrete LLC, 423-584-2784, man. You'll see Chris on the job right there, Chris Lefebvre. You'll see everybody working hard, man. But anyways, enough talking from me. We're waiting on these last 3 to 4 yards, and then they'll get this entire driveway completed, and we will finish this entire job. So, or they will, I won't. I'm just filming it so y'all can watch it, and so he can watch it and enjoy his work and his crew while he's at the house once he's done working. So anyways, enough talking from me. Let's wait till that last concrete gets here. Already, also the guys are completely done, man. Omar and his crew came out here, knocked this out. Look how beautiful it is, all the way from the top here, all the way through the side to where we got a nice little pulling in area, and then all the way down the driveway. Even that sidewalk looks so freaking beautiful, man. It is unreal how beautiful this home looks with the actual sidewalk and the driveway halfway done, because we still need to get the rest of it completely done down there, which will probably be another, I would say, 30 yards, man. I mean, this driveway is long, I'll be honest with you. I mean, when you can see all of Chattanooga literally here in my back, you can only imagine that the driveway will be long. I hate it for the people that are even up there, like higher up, because they're gonna be going crazy on their concrete prices and everything like that, or their driveway price. But anyways, man, they did a really great job knocking this out right here. I'm so happy with it. Can't wait till my mom moves in here. Just seeing this, once the landscaping's done, you can see we're over there moving dirt and everything like that. But once this thing is done, once we got some trees over here, once we got the grass down, man, it's gonna be phenomenal. But anyways, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you follow us on all social platforms at Nikos Property Show. If you haven't yet, check out NikosPropertyShow.com. Grab you some merch. And if you want to get into real estate investment and construction, check out my course, Nikos-school.teachable.com. You can learn how to get into real estate investment and construction. And without further ado, smile more, worry less, and stay blessed. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.